Here we go. $21,000. Dan Pluta left side. Right side, Johnny DiPiazza. $480 in the left, $576 in the right. Keep your hands inside the vehicle at all times and enjoy the ride. DiPiazza, 005, 20 in the left. 20 in the left, dead on with the 1 for the win. Right side, 005, 6 style under, making 22.
All right, let him hear you guys. Dan Pluta, your 21K champion here at the Fuel Factory Midwest Bracketfest, presented by Erson. Nice job. Congratulations.
And Jim Schaefer, your final round for 21 grand. In the staging lanes, drivers are suiting up. Four bulbs are lit. Here comes the tree. Brad's away, and Brad Nichols, 13 red, hands the victory over to Jim Schaefer. 11 on the bulb, 62 with the 2. 11 dead 2. And he's coming back to a 21K winner circle. I'm going to meet him down there.
21 grand winner circle for Jim Schaefer. Let him hear you guys. Your Sunday champion at Fuel Factory Midwest Bracketfest, presented by Erson Cams. Let's go.